Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to try giving myself a full men's haircut in 2 minutes. Let's go. I'm going to start smallest to largest. Do the back of my neck, behind my ears with no guard. Also do the sides and bottom of my beard. Now the 1/8 inch number 1 guard. Gonna do all the sides and back of my head. Now switch to the 1/4 guard, fade everything in to the longer hair at top. Let's finish it up with some uneven scissors on the top. As you can see, you don't even need hair cutting scissors for this, and a little unevenness is just fine. Okay. All right, 2 minutes, 52 seconds, the 3-minute haircut.